Just Pause. How are you all doing today? I hope you're all doing well. Today's Tuesday, the 23rd of June 2020, and we're having math. So today we're learning about fraction, okay? What's fraction? It's learning about parts of a whole, So I'm going to start by drawing a whole circle now. This is a whole, okay? Sorry, this is a whole. So we're going to learn about parts of this whole. So this is a whole circle. Sorry, it's not very fine. All right, so I'm going to make this circle into two equal half. Can you see this? So it was a whole, and then I made two equal half. So this is one half, and this is the other half. So do you know what I can do with this half? I can turn it into quarters. 1/4, 2/4. So remember what I did from the beginning. I had a whole circle. I turned it into two equal half. One half on this side, another half on the other side. Now I've turned one of my halves into quarters. So I have 2 quarters, 1/4, and this is the second quarter. How about this half is still there? Do you know another thing that I can use to teach this fraction? I can also use an orange. This is a whole orange, okay? It's one whole orange, whole. So how do I get this into two equal halves? I have to put my knife in the middle, and then I cut. So see, I have two equal halves. Can you see this? Two equal halves. So how do I get a quarter? I can now divide my half into two. Can you see that? That's what I did here. I divided one of the halves into 2 quarters, okay? So when you divide my half now, I got 2 quarters, 1/4, another quarter. So this is still a whole if you put it together this way. So this is 2 equal halves. This is 1/4, another quarter. So when you put the quarters together, you get 1/2. See? You take 1/4 away, you have 1/4. You put the quarters together, you have 1/2. Okay? So see, if I turn it this way, I still have 1/2 left. But when I put it together, it's a whole. So that's what I did here. So let's turn it this way now. I have 1/2. I have 2 quarters. See? 1/4, another quarter. So that's it about fraction, learning parts of a whole. So this part is called half. How about this part? Quarters, because there are 2. 1/4, second, that's the second quarter, okay? Half, 1/4, that's another quarter. So I have 2 quarters here and I have 1/2. So how did I get this? I got it from a whole. So you're going to have a worksheet that might have one of the quarters shaded, or you have 4 quarters like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it will have one part shaded like this. So that means you have shaded 1 out of 4. You only shaded 1 out of 4, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you shaded 1, so you have 1/4. So how about when you shade 2 quarters? Remember, you have 4 quarters, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you shade 2 quarters. So what's going to be? It's going to be 2/4 because you shaded 2 out of 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's it about fraction, okay? From a whole, we got 1/2. From a whole, we got 2 equal halves. Then from 1/2, we got 2 quarters. From the other half, I got 2 more quarters. So now how many quarters can you see? 4 quarters. So that's what your worksheet is going to look like, okay? We're going to keep practicing this until we get it right. See you tomorrow, and remember to do your activities on Education City. You're doing alternative pronunciation with polysyllabic words, and then today's Tuesday. You're also learning about color mixtures and science. Remember to do your activities and be good. Bye-bye.